how to change Bitcoin crypto to cash on Cash App. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change Bitcoin to cash on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to change Bitcoin to cash on Cash App, you have to understand that there isn't a direct method to directly convert your Bitcoin to cash. The only thing you can do through Cash App is that you have to sell your Bitcoin for cash, and that's the only thing that you can do to convert your Bitcoin into Cash App. Now, in order to do this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, you want to make sure to tap the home icon from the bottom of the screen over here. Now, if you've already verified the identity, done everything else, you should most likely be able to find the option to sell Bitcoin. So you can just tap the buy Bitcoin over here. If you have as little as any Bitcoin you want, if you want to convert them to cash, you basically have to sell them to Cash App itself. So if you don't have any Bitcoin, then you can just tap the buy Bitcoin option here, enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy, tap the next option. Once you've done that, on the next specific page, you can confirm your phone number, verify the identity as well, and follow the on-screen instructions in order to successfully go ahead and then buy some Bitcoin. And then after you've done that, you should be able to sell a Bitcoin in a similar manner. And that is it for today's video on how you can change Bitcoin to Cash App on Cash App. But as I said earlier, there isn't a direct method to convert this to. You basically just have to sell your Bitcoin for cash using Cash App. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.